Hi. Hello, it's Sam here. Thank you for joining me today. I am an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in the UK, and you can find my blog at craftthebestlife.co.uk. Today's project is for the team Blog Hop. If you have been over before to my blog, if you look for the Pootlers team Blog Hop post, which will be dated for yesterday, then at the end of my blog post there is a link to hop around the rest of the team. So this is the project I'm making, and the theme is products from the Sale-A-Bration catalogue, which I've not got on hand. Where is it? So here we go. So from the 3rd of January to the 31st of March, Stampin' Up have something called Sale-A-Bration. What that means is for every £45 you spend, you get to choose a free product from this brochure. So there's lots of different things in here. There's stamp sets, there's ribbon, there's paper, all sorts of things. So this is the thing for our blog hop. So I will be showing you what I'm using. I've got this stamp set, which is called Part of the Story. I'm using where is that? There it is. I got it cut. I'm using some of the Designer Series paper, which is the botanical butterflies, and then I'm using some of the wood elements, butterfly wood elements. Just put that over there. These are my bits of scrap. And all I've done with these is coloured them with my blends, so they look like that on the other side. So let's get started. Oh, and some ribbon. This is hide and tether ribbon. This is a pack of 5, so we want that one as well. Right, let's get myself straight in my seat. So we are going to have a card this way, and this is a half sheet of A4 cut in half and scored in half, and we've got a dot fold card like that. So I'm just going to get my bone folder and give that a bit of a crease. Then I have a white layer, which is the same length of the card. So the card is 5 7/8, and it is 3.5 inches wide. Yeah, so that's 3.5 inches. Then my bit Designer Series paper again is 5 7/8, and that one is 3 inches wide. So that's going to go there. So let's get started then. So we'll put that over there. First of all, we need to stick that onto there. I'm using my liquid Tombow glue because I find this the easiest to manage, and you literally just need to scribble it on and it sticks like magic. So put that on there. Oh, that's not quite right, hang on. So this is why I like the Tombow, because if you don't get it straight, you can give it a bit of a wiggle about. So I've got a little bit of overhang there, which I'm just going to chop off with my scissors. Like so. And I want my ribbon to go along there, I think. So what's that? That's about 9 inches. So that's my ribbon. And we're going to put that along the, I don't know which way up do I want that? That way? Or that way? That way. That looks more of a natural way to put it. So I'm going to put my ribbon across here. So I'm just going to turn that over. And I'm going to use a bit of the fast fuse, if I can side. Come on, glue, glue. I don't get on very well with tape runners. I think I'm a bit heavy-handed, to be honest. So we're just going to wrap that. Let's pull that a bit further. Wrap that there. Like so. I'm going to chop off those extra bits. Like that. Oh, now I've got something in my eye. Hang on. Oh no, blind crafting now. That's okay. Right, so then we can put that one on there. With some more. Oh yeah, that's got stuff on it, hasn't it? Right, we're going to put some more wet glue on here. And again, I'm just using literally a scribble. You don't need a lot. Make sure my card base is up the right way. Done that a few times. I'll pop that down like that. Give it a push. Got sticky hands now. There we go. Right, so that's our card base. Now we need to do our decoration. So I've got 3 of these butterflies. So the paper is Highland Heather, so I've literally coloured these with the blend. So if I just show you on the back, so I've taken my blend and I've got the bullet point, and then I've just put it on its side and coloured them in. So just to give them a bit of colour like that. So we need a sentiment, so I need my scrap. I've got a scrap of Whisper White. Although this is Highland Heather, I am actually using the Gorgeous Grape ink because it just stands out a little bit more with on the background. So we're going to stamp that. Make sure I got it the right way. Yeah, this stamp set, which is called Part of My Story, Part of My Story. It was actually made by other Stampin' Up demonstrators. We were asked for different sentiments and different things, and then the design team put together the stamp set with all of them in there. So there we go. Right, I need my 2-inch circle punch. Get that as straight as I can. Like so. Then we're going to take the Starburst punch, which is, I think it's about, well, it's just a bit bigger than the 2-inch, so it's probably 2 1/8. Let's see. We'll measure it. So we're just going to punch out one of them in the Highland Heather. Excuse me. So that one's, yeah, it's about 2 1/8, that one. So we're going to pop that on with some dimensionals. No, we're not putting them on there. We're going to glue that on there and then put the dimensionals on the other bit. It's Monday. Okay, so pop that there. And then we put dimensionals on the back of here. Like so. So let's work out where we want that bit. Up there. Like that. Okay, and then we're just going to put these going over like that. So what do I want? Glue dots to stick on my wooden elements. So let's turn those over. And I've got a boogie doll. I've got my take your pick. Take a pick, or take your pick. That sounds like a game show, doesn't it? Take your pick. I'm sure it might be. So I'll put 2 on the big one. Like that. Actually, I might put a 3rd one on there just to make sure. And we'll put 2 on this one. No, that one's stuck to me. Come on, Mr. Glue Dot. That's that. Put 2 on that one. And 1 on that one. Me and glue dots aren't getting on very well today. Oh. There we go. Right, let's put them away. So I'm just going to turn them up this way and work out where I want to put them and see where I want them. Where do I go? Like, no, I don't want them in a line, do I? Because they look a bit strange. More of a random, I think. So we'll put this one here. Put that one there. And then this one over here. There we go. That's our card. Nice and simple. So do I need, yes, I think I need some bling actually. So getting a bit blingless. What have I got here? Pop some of those in. These are the Butterfly Gala adhesive back sequins, and they coordinate with the sweet. And I've got them all stuck together. So we've got let's put one there. One down there. One up there. There we go, that's better. So that's today's card. Like I say, if you go over to my blog at craftbestlife.co.uk and find the blog hop post, you'll find all the instructions and details to make this card there, and you will find all the other cards and projects made by the rest of the team. So thank you very much for joining me today, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye.